Dear students, good morning. As in previous video, we have started the story White Elephant of class 6. Now in second part, we will see what happened to the white elephant when it started living with his mother in the lonely place, leaving the group. Let us see what happened when he has decided to help the person who was in problem. Let us see. But the white elephant could not bear to think of anyone in trouble, and he hurried down to the lake in the direction of the cries, where he discovered a man who was a forester. So what happened? In previous video we have seen that white elephant has heard a sound of a person who is in problem. So he has requested to his mother, old mother, he has requested that, mother, I have decided to go to help him. But what happened? His mother advised, don't go. I hope there will be some problem with you. But what happened? This white elephant. But the white elephant could not. So what happened? White elephant was very kind hearted. He could not bear to think of anyone in trouble. That means he was so kind hearted that he never liked to see anyone in trouble, and he hurried down. So he did not listen his mother's advice, and he hurried down to the lake in the direction of the cries, where he discovered a man who was a forester. So what happened? Without listening his mother, he has gone to forest. Sorry, he has gone towards the sound from where the cry was coming. He had noticed that it was Forester. Don't fear me, stranger, he said. Tell me how I can help you. So what happened? As the white elephant has gone, now very politely he is saying to the stranger, to the forester, what happened? Don't fear. I will not harm you. I am here to help you. The forester told the white elephant that he had been lost for 7 days and nights and could not find his way back to Banaras where he lived. So now forester is telling his problem, that he is saying for a week, for 7 days he is in this jungle, and he is not getting way to go to his house. He is from Banaras, so he need help. If he will not be helped, he will not able to reach to his house. Now, see, the forester has told his problem to white elephant. Now, how white elephant is helping? Let us see. Climb on my back, said the elephant cheerfully, and I will carry you home. See, in helping white elephant, he felt so happy. So he said to the forester, climb on my back, I will take you to your home. The elephant carried the man swiftly through the forest until they reached. See, swiftly means very fast. Open country. See, the elephant carried the man swiftly through the forest. That means very fast he has taken him towards his home. until they reached open country. So what happened? Open country. Open country means open land. As they have gone out from the jungle, then he left him on the outskirts of the city. Outskirts of the city, that means just closer to the city. Closer to the city, as they have reached, the white elephant has decided to leave him there only before returning his cave. Why? Because his mother was in the cave, and just he has thought that I will take this forester or this strange person to the outskirt of the city. Outskirt means outside the city, and I will return back. The forester was a greedy and cunning man. So see what happened. Actually, forester he did not lost his way. He was a cunning man. Cunning means clever, who used to cheat others. He knew that the king's favorite elephant had died. So what happened? The forester was knowing that king's favorite elephant, king was having one elephant. It has died. So he thought that I will take this white elephant to whom? To the king, and king will feel happy and give reward. So the king would reward me richly. So but see, he was very greedy person. So what did he do? He thought that I will take this white elephant to the king and he will give me reward. To the man, if I capture this fine animal for him, he straightway asked for a royal audience. So what happened? Just he is thinking that the king will feel very happy and people will hear about him from the king. The king was delighted when he heard the description of the white elephant. So what happened? This forester he has informed the messenger of king that he has got one white elephant. So what happened? King became so happy when he has thought that he has told that it will be given to king. I would love to possess such a fine creature. So what happened when king came to know that forester has brought a white a white elephant, he became so happy and he said that okay, I will keep this creature. I like such type of creature. Go back to the forest with a band of my most skillful trainers, and if they succeed in capturing this rare elephant, you shall be well rewarded. So, what happened that day? That white elephant left the forester outside of the city. He has told about this white elephant to the king. And what happened now? King became so happy. He told that if go with my skillful persons who will catch the elephant. If they will able to catch, I will give you huge reward, large amount. The forester had cunningly noted landmarks while riding back. So what happened? Previously only for a forester, he just saw the way in which way the elephant has carried him to Banaras, and he led the trainers to the lake where the white elephant was gathering bamboo stems for his mother's evening meal. So what happened? After few days again, The forester has taken all the trainers towards the place where white elephant was just collecting food for his mother evening meal. That means his mother would eat during the evening. When the elephant saw the forester with the band of trainers, he knew he had been betrayed. So what happened? From far away only, the white elephant has seen that, oh, forester is coming with some people, and he came to know that I have been cheated. He tried to escape, but the trainers pursued him and soon succeeded in capturing him. So what happened? He tried to protect himself. He tried to run away, but he became failure, and he has been captured by the trainer. Then they led him through the forest and entered Banaras in triumph. So what happened? After capturing this white elephant, they have taken it to Banaras. And there what happened? Already they have taken it to the city. The for today, my dear students, this much only. Let us see other part in next video.